This is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video. I'm going to see today if I can create an interesting, scary looking face, maybe a creepy, almost Joker type jester character or skull, just by using this shape. So you can see where we have this section. So I'm going to just go in and see if I can add some white in certain areas. And then from there, we can add some of the charcoal, see what we can get. So you can see I'm just really using the light pastel to just start shaping a few areas. Just very, very loose. Adding some contrast. Try to get a really loose face. All right, so we just have really loose structure here. You can almost see a face forming a little bit. Perhaps even that nose area. Start adding some structure. Okay, so we have this main section, and now I'm going to get in with the charcoal and start to see if we can make this a interesting kind of creepy vibe character. So let's just get in here. Just using the charcoal to make some shapes. And then let's see if we can add some weird looking, almost gums. A little of that face on that side. All right, so from here, do the same coming down this way. Folds in there. Now, at this point, let's see if we can really do some weird, almost teeth. Okay, so we had a weird looking face right there. All right, so from here, let's see if we can add a little bit more detail. It's rough outline. Let's see here. So it gives it this weird looking grin, a little out of shape, out of whack, but definitely creepy. Okay, so definitely more in the weirder, creepier realm with this character. See where else we can take it. Yeah, so from here, let's see if we can start working in some deep shapes. Just gonna use this side, see if That's always a weird vibe. Just a straight white. Just angle that a touch. And then wrap that under a little bit. Get that shape. Okay, so yeah, that's definitely on the creepier side. See if we can maybe do it like it's weird. Look in both two different dimensions. Come in with the charcoal on the top here. Fade that out. All right, and then on this side, let's see if we can get a weird looking, just maybe go all black. Find this circle out. All right, yeah, so that blue definitely gives it a cool vibe on that side. Reinforce some of that black again. Get that contrast in there. All right, so yeah, that's definitely an interesting looking character here. Just gonna darken a few areas, but I think that might be pretty decent for right now. Um, if you like this type of more of the horror art drawings, I invite you to check out some of my other videos. A few different characters similar to this style, but it's always charcoal, mostly charcoal and pastel. So yeah, it's a really cool vibe you can do. Right. Well, this is main art. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time, and be sure to check out my other videos. Thank you, and take care.